So here's how to do journal entry in QuickBooks Online. First of all, open up your browser and search for QuickBooks. After that, click on the first link in the results. This will take you to the QuickBooks official website. From here, buy a subscription or log in to your existing account. After logging into your QuickBooks account, you will get to see this interface. From here, you need to click on the plus new icon on the top left. And here, as you can see, there are a lot of options we can choose from. Go over to Other and click on Journal Entry. So now, on this section, click on the first column. After that, you can type in whatever entry that you want. And this way, you can put in all your necessary journal entries. And that is exactly how to do journal entry in QuickBooks Online.